National Weather Service has confirmed 2 tornadoes in Kentuckiana, including an EF-0 in Harrison County, Indiana, with winds up to 85 miles per hour. The night team's Taylor Woods and photojournalist Elijah McKenzie show us the damage it left behind.
When I came home, my mouth was hanging open. I'm not gonna lie, I was not ready for that.
Blaine Whitaker found her car shed destroyed in pieces and trees down in her yard after an EF-0 tornado hit Gordon, Indiana Thursday afternoon.
Definitely glad I wasn't home. I think I would have been scared because everything was flying around.
Whitaker took shelter at her parents' home during the tornado.
It could have been a lot worse, but I got off pretty easily for what it could have been.
It's bizarre for her to look at the protection that once covered her vehicle, now ruined.
Luckily, my car wasn't here, or it also would have been destroyed.
You can see just how heavy the winds were. The shed was originally right here, but it ended up landing over here.
The National Weather Service reported winds up to 85 miles per hour.
I feel like the tornado basically kind of lifted it up and kind of threw it against the house a little bit.
Down the street from Whitaker, crews were working to remove an uprooted tree that landed on top of a home. The couple who lives here didn't want to go on camera, but told us they were watching TV in the living room when the tree fell.
We don't get many tornadoes around this area, so it was definitely a shock. We didn't even know it was a tornado until it was confirmed later.
Luckily, no injuries have been reported.
Definitely glad that everything and everybody's okay, and all the neighbors and people around me are okay too.
Now Whitaker is counting on her family to help her clean up the debris.
The backside's just laid over a little bit.
In Harrison County, Taylor Woods, WHAS 11 Night Team on your side.